Hey guys, I am Dipendra from Fixing Port. All humans require proper rest and sufficient sleep to work efficiently. So today I am here to talk about rest and sufficient sleep only, but not related to humans. I am here to talk about artificial intelligence. So let's begin. Artificial intelligence is taking over the duties which required lots of focus and consistency. We have seen artificial intelligence doing defense work, controlling traffic signals, and even beating humans in games. They can even control big ships. To make it better, researchers are working more and more on artificial intelligence. New facts are being discovered every day. In the recent studies, the researchers have found that the neural system of artificial intelligence needs to have a proper sleep to work efficiently. The discovery was made by the researchers of Los Alamos Laboratory located in the United States of America. The researchers working on a project on artificial intelligence found that the neural system of artificial intelligence worked more efficiently after an artificially induced sleep. So while working for longer hours on the neural system, the researchers found that the system became unstable. It tried to perform the tasks abnormally when it became unstable due to the tiredness of the neural system. However, when the researchers exposed the neural system to an artificial analog sleep, it again became normal and started functioning normally. According to the researchers, the artificial analog sleep of the neural system of artificial intelligence is equivalent to humans' good night sleep. So let's hope that in the future we will get to know more deeper facts about artificial intelligence. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.